Hey everybody, in this episode we'll make our workspace go from this to this. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Andrew and this is the Make It and Break It YouTube channel where we take motorsports builds typically through the entire process for you, from designing it to building it to going and sending it on a racetrack, on an adventure, on a motorcycle, or doing whatever else sounds fun at the time. Today we're going to break the mold a little bit and we're going to go set up our home, garage, office, workspace area so that it's actually useful for us. And we figured we'd bring you guys along with us because there might be some good, interesting tips, tricks, or products that we use that you could use yourself at your own home workspace. So right behind me you can see my daily driver, Scion TC. I've got a couple motorcycles parked in here with just some random crap around. You got some, gas cans and stuff. So the plan is for here, we're gonna get another electrical outlet put in here for some 240 so I can do some welding in here. And we're gonna refinish these floors, which are terrible, so that they don't stain when I inevitably, spill some oil. But there used to be carpet right where I'm standing here, and there's still some carpet glue and stuff, so we're gonna have to clean all that up and then put a sealant down on top of this. But first things first with this, I've got to clear out the Scion. One, because we need to clear out this area to actually clean it, and two, because I have a delivery coming in, which I'll show you guys soon. So we've cleared out the back of the garage here, and you can kind of see what we're dealing with. So if you're going to refinish your floors, you got to get rid of all of this crap. So it's really dusty and dirty, so we're going to have to wipe all that stuff out too. But if you see all these lines down through all here, that's all glue for the carpet that used to be here, and that's got to go up. So we've got to go get a scraper, maybe some hot water or some citric acid or something like that, clean it, and then scrape it all up, and hopefully that'll get us ready to seal this floor. Look at this massive, beautiful beast. This is my new 3D printer. We're gonna do a lot of cool stuff with that on this channel. This is a Raise 3D Pro 2 Plus. It's kind of filling the market space between consumer level desktop type printers that only print 6 by 6 by 6 inches in size, and gigantic commercial $100,000+ printers that have large print volumes and can do really cool stuff. So this one kind of fills the gap. As long as you're not trying to print in a true engineering plastic that's Ultem or Peak or something like that, this printer will pretty much solve your problems for a lot more economical price range than some of those professional level printers. We're not going to do a full unboxing of that today on this video. That I'm probably going to do a separate unboxing video just for this thing. But we are going to get this thing unboxed out of the way so we can continue on with this garage renovation, setup, whatever it is. All right, so it's a bit of time later, and garage is still a mess. Ran out of time to do stuff that day, and I kind of figured out a couple things. First, there is a concrete patch kind of right there that runs all along the garage. That was from a basement renovation that got done, and it's really not level with the rest of the garage floor. So I don't have enough time and all the builds and the schedule and stuff we gotta go do and stuff I gotta go do, like live my own life, to flatten that out and get this garage floor resealed. So we're gonna save that for a later time. and just try and get this place a lot more functional. So we managed to bring some of the toolboxes in here, but our storage room, which you kind of saw the walkthrough earlier, got a nice little shelving unit there, and got to figure out some place to put these quick jacks. So, gonna be a busy day, or two, hopefully one. Alright, so taking a quick break for lunch. Not much of a difference out here, as you can kind of see, but the workshop area is looking a lot better. So I now actually have space. I can walk and not try and die. We got our big heavy duty shelving up here, and really what we're gonna do here so far is heavy parts down below, some sort of heavy medium parts, maybe tools here, tools, fluids, that sort of stuff here that I might have to grab, and then lighter parts up top, because right now I don't have a ton of parts for everything. Next up is we're gonna organize a bunch of this crap, get all these tools out back into the garage. But to do that, we need a bunch of pegboard things. There's a bunch of pegboard on one side of the garage that I want to hang all these tools from, but we don't have much of that right now. So I'm gonna go run out and get that, and while we're out there, we're gonna get some lunch. So let's go. So that was a day. A lot of stuff going on. Don't tell the girlfriend, but we might have got McDonald's for lunch. And I think we got this garage looking pretty good. So this place used to be just a mess, pieces all over the place. There's still some pieces removed, but now everything has a place. Look. Oh yeah, so we got welding gear, air compressor type gear, cleaning fluids. These are mechanical type stuff, so brake clean, PB blaster, WD-40. You got your carb intake MAF type stuff here. You got your electrical stuff here, and then all of this used to be in my workshop. So it's got all of my battery operated tools and one of those other ones, and then a lot of my extra crap that I didn't use all the time but used a lot of the time that was just sitting on top of my toolbox over here, and I had to go rummage through, and now it's hanging up where I can see things. So there's still a little bit of work to do. So that quick jack is gonna have to get put together probably tomorrow. We'll see. I'm in a crunch to finish my work on the Chrysler because I have an inspection coming up in like 2 days. So we got some stuff here. Gotta take that GoPro and remind myself of that. Also, we managed to clean up the workshop a little bit. So come in here. Ignore this crap. This didn't change much. This is kind of the welding section right now. Hello, Father. Thank you.
Hello, son.
We have our seats that we intelligently purchased at Formula Drift. And then whole new shelving system. So we got parts and parts and tools and tools and parts and parts. I have more parts than I thought I had because I was storing a bunch of stuff for my daily driver that I just never installed. So that's cool. And then a whole workbench over here. So when I actually get started with a lot of the fab work or some carbon fiber work or some 3D printing work, I have space to work. So this is gonna be awesome. I have not done much with the office yet, but that'll be probably next time because the office and the couch set need a lot more work, and I gotta go put up speakers and sort my life out. So that'll be probably next garage remake or rebuild or whatever we're calling this episode. But that's a lot of work for today, and I'm tired and it's hot and I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching, everybody. My name's Andrew. This has been a Make and Break It YouTube video. Garage remakes aren't what we normally do. We spend a lot of time on cars and motorcycles and doing cool things around motorsports. I just needed stuff set up so I could get that done more efficiently. You can see my Project Ute Chrysler 300C behind me. Hopefully we get that inspected soon. If you like this video, hit like, comment below. Is it ADD enough for you? The girlfriend is a little surprised that I managed to organize things. It seems she thinks I am some sort of hugely messy engineer and incapable of organizing things, which is mostly true, actually. If you disliked it, go ahead and dislike it. Comment down below, tell me what you liked and didn't like. If you like this video or other stuff we're doing on our channel, definitely hit subscribe, click that bell so you get notified when we put out a new video. And thanks for watching, guys, really. My name's Andrew. This has been a Make It and Break It YouTube channel video, where we do a lot of things on this channel, but we really aim to answer one question for everyone, and it's, why not build it? We'll catch y'all later.